So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to post voice notes on your WhatsApp status. So all you need to do is go into WhatsApp and then go to status and tap on the pen icon like you wanted to write a status. Okay. Now, before you start typing, you should see that the send button is now a microphone icon. But as soon as you start typing something, it changes into the send icon, which you'll now use to share this text to your WhatsApp status. So make sure you have not typed anything and it's a microphone icon, as you can see. And then touch and hold that microphone icon and start recording your voice note. Okay, so this is going to be a beautiful day. Wake up and enjoy it. So that's my recorded WhatsApp voice note for my status, but it's not posted yet. Okay, so before I post it, I can play it and listen. This is going to be a beautiful day. Wake up and enjoy it. Now, in case I don't like it, then I can simply tap on the delete button here. So just tap on delete, and that's going to delete the status, and you can try and record it again, right? And then also, before you post, you can actually change the background color. Just keep tapping on this until you get a color that you want. And then once you get the color you want and you're ready to post your voice note, simply tap on send and confirm you want to send that. Okay, and that's going to send that voice note to your WhatsApp status. Now, anyone else looking at WhatsApp status should now find your status and they can play beautiful day. Wake up and enjoy it. And that's basically how to post voice notes to your WhatsApp status. Now, if you don't find this feature available, then make sure you go to your respective app store, either on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone, and search for WhatsApp and update the application. So in case you have a pending update, then that might be the problem, and that might be the reason you're not seeing that feature. So go ahead and update the WhatsApp Messenger application and check again. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.